Good morning, everybody. This video is about attaching this extender, this extender to this electric grinder. The first thing to do is remove this cap over here. Make sure that this is not aligned, this lock. So unlock it by rotating and then pressing this button over here. Now once it's secured into position, then you can unlock. The second thing to do is to make sure that this, which can be extended using a plier, is secured over or is inserted in this area, just like in the tools that's being used in this grinder. Then lock it again. To ensure that this will not rotate, press this button, this black button over here. Okay, make sure that it's securely fastened. Let's see if it will rotate. Now, it means that it's not properly locked. So you have to push it down, push it more, and lock it and secure it with this. Now everything's set. We were able to attach the extender to this. Let's try if it will rotate. You will notice this latch over here. So you will see, and if once I turn it on, you'll see that it's rotating. As you can see, it's not rotating. It means that there's something wrong with how we attach it on this side. To recheck it, we have to remove it again. This should be properly inserted into this. Lock it tight. Secure it with this one. And let's see if it works. Again, that is the latch. Rotate it. Now it's rotating. That's how we install this extender. Okay, video is okay now.